Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, RFI issued for logistic drones to enhance supply chains in medium and high altitude terrains. In a strategic move to modernize its logistic capabilities, the Indian Army has issued a request for information for the procurement of logistics drone tailored for medium and high altitude operations. This dual RFI targeting logistic drones medium altitude and logistic drones high altitude along with their accessories aims to finalize service qualitative requirements, determine procurement categories, and identify capable Indian vendors. The Army has set an ambitious timeline, expecting delivery within 2 years of the contract award, aligning the initiative with the Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat programs to bolster indigenous defense manufacturing. Next, RFI issued by the Army for rocket ammunition. In a significant step enhancing its artillery capabilities, the Indian Army, under the aegis of the Ministry of Defence, Government of India, has issued a request for information to procure rocket ammunition for its in-service 122 mm grade BM-21 multi-barrel rocket launcher system. The move underscores the Army's intent to strengthen its firepower across diverse terrains, from plains and deserts to high-altitude mountainous regions, ensuring operational readiness for a range of artillery tasks. With this RFI, the Army is reaching out to original equipment manufacturers and authorized Indian vendors to identify capable partners for the critical project. The 122 mm grade BM-21, a Soviet-origin MBRL system, has been a mainstay of the Indian Army rocket artillery regiments for decades. Known for its rapid salvo capabilities, the system can unleash a barrage of rockets to saturate targets, providing crucial fire support in both offensive and defensive operations. The RFI specifies that the new ammunition must be compatible with the existing in-service launchers, which feature launch tube approximately 2.8 meters in length. This ensures seamless integration without necessitating modifications to the current fleet, a practical consideration given the system's widespread deployment. Next, Dataran 1500 stakes its claim against global rivals. The realm of military engineering, particularly in the domain of main battle tanks, hinges on the performance of powertrains that drive these behemoths across diverse and often unforgiving terrains. The development of India's indigenous Dataran 1500 engine, a collaborative effort between the Defence Research and Development Organization and Bharat Earth Movers Limited, marks a significant milestone in the country's pursuit of self-reliance in defence technology. Next, RFI issued by Army for inflatable mock-up bridges to enhance deception capabilities. The Indian Army has taken a strategic step forward, bolstering the battlefield deception tactics by issuing a request of information for the procurement of 54 sets of inflatable mock-up bridges. This innovative acquisition includes 48 mid-section and 6 end sections, designed to mimic the appearance and signatures of the in-service ponton module system bridge. The RFI, aimed at identifying capable vendors and original equipment manufacturers, underscores the Army's intent to deploy these decoys across desert, semi-desert, and riverine terrains, enhancing its ability to mislead adversaries in both day and night conditions. The inflatable mock-up bridge is engineered to be a near-perfect replica of the PMS bridge, a modular bridging system used by the Indian Army for rapid river crossing and logistical support. In the visual spectrum 380 to 780 nm, the mock-up must be indistinguishable from the real thing when viewed from 500 meters during daytime under clear bright sunlight and from 100 meters at night under full moonlight. Next, trials of UAV dropped munition completed. GS Numerics, a pioneer Indian defense technology startup, has achieved a significant milestone in the realm of unmanned aerial vehicle weaponization with the successful development and trial of its UAV dropped munitions in the 3 to 25 kg class, equipped with an in-house developed ejector rack unit as part of its UAV weaponization kit. This innovative system offers versatile configuration capable of carrying single or triple gravity dropped munitions with a maximum payload capacity of 55 kg. The Indian Army closely monitored the recently completed trials, underscoring the strategic importance of this important advancement for India's military modernization efforts. Next, why the Indian-made LCA Tejas is absent from DCS World Modules? Comment. Digital Combat Simulator, that is DCS World, a premier flight simulation platform developed by Eagle Dynamics, has captivated aviation enthusiasts and gamers with its high-fidelity aircraft modules, realistic physics, and immersive combat scenarios, featuring a diverse roster of aircraft from the American F-16C Viper to the Russian MiG-29 and even vintage warbirds like the P-51 Mustang. DCS World thrives on its detailed recreations of military hardware. Yet, despite its global appeal and the growing prominence of India's indigenous light combat aircraft Tejas, this unique fighter jet remains conspicuously absent from the DCS module lineup. While there is significant interest from the DCS community in seeing a Tejas module, several practical, technical, and strategic factors explain its exclusion. The LCA Tejas, designed by India's Aeronautical Development Agency and HAL, is a compelling candidate for DCS World. As a lightweight, single-engine, multi-role fighter, it boasts a delta-wing configuration, advanced fly-by-wire controls, and a growing suite of modern avionics and weaponry, including the indigenous Uttam Aisa radar and Astra missile. Its evolution from a replacement of aging MiG-21s to a 4.5 generation platform with variants like the Tejas Mk1A and the upcoming Mk2 makes it a fascinating study in modern aerospace design. Thank you.